Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. So yeah, I know this video is going fast. All of this I'm showing you is not the real reason why you came here. You came here for a touch of color on your eyes. I mean, yes, we know that. So I'm just using this first part just to put you through, and we're going to go into the eyes just right about now. This will be one of the easiest eyes you ever do under just a few minutes. So I am just packing on some brown shade. This is my transition color. Just packing all over the eyes, not going to that arc of the brow and not really going to the base of the eye, like the eyelids. After this, we're going to pick a pop of color. Now, the pop of color I want is blue. You choose whatever you want. Remember, just a pop. This is an eyeshadow that you don't have to be an expert in. You can be someone that's just playing with eyeshadow and you will come out bomb. So I know I said a touch of, but we're like putting it all over like our lower lid because we have hooded eyes. You have hooded eyes. That's what, hey, Yoruba, you have hooded eyes. That's why you're here. So once you put on that color to that place of where your hood is, or where the hood starts to hood, then you go back into that brush with the brown and blend. Once you blend, you go and put in eyeliner however you want it. For this, we're not using like very, very large eyeliner because we don't want it to cover the blue. Rather, we're making it long. So at the end, you're going to see how it all comes together because right now you're like, what's this? Is this eyeshadow? Yes, it is. This is one of those looks that you have to believe in yourself. And when it all comes together, you would see that you did great. On this day, I was rushing to church and I needed to be there ASAP, but I still needed to give my girls an eyeshadow look. Okay, love you. See you next time on the next episode. Mwah. Bye.